Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Today I'm showing you the Advanced Web final project. My name is Nathan Fry. I'll be your host today, and I decided to do my project on the bookstore, the online bookstore. So let's look at all the books. First off, this is the index page. This shows you every book that's in the database. So I currently have Artemis, Test 3, and Test 4. So I want to create two new resources. So there's this little hyperlink here. If I add to our collection, I can add a title, an author, a cover, a price for the book in Canadian dollars, and a release date. So I'm just going to name this one Test number 5. The author's name will be I Don't Know. The cover is going to be hardcover, and because hardcover is a little bit more expensive, I'm going to do $25.22. Now, it hasn't been released yet, so you're going to have to pre-order this book. It comes out on Friday, so prepare for that. And create the book. And there we go. Test 5 has now been created. So I want to create another one, so let's do add our collection. I'm going to do test number 6. Author name is done by Nathan Fry. I don't know if you've heard him. He's a pretty great guy. This one is paperback. And it's going to cost around $12.99. Pretty cheap, I know. And this one has already been released, so let's make it April 10th. And create the book. And here we are. Test number 6 has been created by Nathan Fry. It is paperback, $12.99, and came out on April the 10th. So let's say I wanted to show Artemis only by itself. I don't want all the other garbage books or any of the other ones. I just want Artemis. So if I click the show button, it will just give me Artemis and its information. So the author, what's the cover, its price, and when it came out. So if I go back to the books and I wanted to edit Artemis, I can. So there's Artemis. I want to name it, the author's name is going to be Mike something. It is going to be hardcover instead of paperback. And because it's hardcover, it isn't going to be worth 22 cents. It's going to be worth $1.22. A whole extra dollar. The release date is on, let's say, June 13th, a Wednesday. And we're going to update the book. And as you can see, Artemis is now updated to Mike something as its author. Its cover is now a hardcover instead of a paperback. It is now worth $1.22 instead of 22 cents and came out on Wednesday, June the 13th. So now let's say I don't want all these books. So I can just delete one from the database. So I can go to test 6 and delete it. Now it's going to prompt me this thing saying, are you 100% positive you want to delete this book? Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. So I'm going to hit cancel because I want to delete test 5 instead. So if I delete test 5, are you 100% sure you want to delete this book? This is test 5. I hit OK. Boom. Test 5 is now gone. All I'm left with is Artemis, test 3, test 4, and test 6. So again, thanks for coming out today. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, that little notification bell because YouTube is broken. And again, thanks for tuning to my final project of Advanced Web, the Fry's Book World, coming soon to a store near you. Thanks again. I'm out. Goodbye.